Makia ODM Oburu Oginga aratongoria Kanjũ nene ya kiama kiu mucemanio-ini wa kwarĩrĩria mwerekera wa kiama kaunti-ini ya Mombasa. Kanjũ iyo ĩrĩgĩrĩirwo kurekereria ndũmĩrĩri ĩgiĩ kwĩyeheria gwa kiama kiu ngwatanĩro-inĩ ya Azimio, no mwandĩki munene wa kiama gĩkĩ Edwin Sifuna ndanekinyia gĩikaro-inĩ kiu.
The strongest party in Azimio was ourselves as ODM. There is nobody who can make a decision in Azimio without concurrence of ODM. And you cannot purport to appoint a new leader of Azimio, excluding and bypassing this party called ODM. Azimio was dead when ODM left it. We left it a long time ago. It is only a formality which we have not performed and which we are going to perform very soon. We are going to exit that moribund organization called Azimio. So somebody should not be floating something which is moribund, he knows he is dead, and you are raising the dead from the grave.